Hey fellow Fit Pro, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're ready for another game-changing video in my series on building a successful fitness marketing funnel. In the previous videos, we've covered how to create a powerful one-liner and design a personal trainer website that converts like crazy. If you missed those, make sure to check them out on my channel. If that's the case, get ready. You're tired of spending your hard-earned marketing pounds and dollars on strategies that run on nothing but hope? I'm going to reveal what I believe to be a game-changing secret that will help you transform your fitness business. Okay, so picture this. A steady stream of quality leads flowing into your business, eager to work with you. It's not a dream, it's an achievable reality. And it all starts with one powerful tool, the lead magnet. Today I'm going to share with you a secret weapon that can take your fitness business to new heights and help you attract clients on demand. And that tool's called a lead magnet. And trust me, you don't want to miss out on this. So what exactly is a lead magnet? Well, in essence, it's a valuable piece of content that you offer to your potential clients in exchange for their email address. It's like giving them a taste of what you have to offer while capturing their contact info. Now, why is this so important? Simple. With a lead magnet, you can create a relationship and build that relationship with potential clients through a series of follow-up emails. That way you establish your authority, showcase your empathy for their struggles, and make their sales process a whole lot easier. Imagine this, you're a PT and you've just created an amazing lead magnet. Let's say it's a downloadable PDF packed with nutrition tips and mouth-watering recipes. You offer that to your audience and in return, they gladly share their email address with you. Now you have a direct line of communication with that person and they're generally interested in what you have to offer. That, my friend, is a game changer. So let's dive into what I feel are the 5 kinds of lead generating PDFs that you can create as a PT. Now these are magnets that will attract clients and propel your business forward. First of them, the ultimate workout guide. So you could share a comprehensive plan that covers various workouts, exercises and techniques to help potential clients achieve their fitness goals. The next could be a healthy eating handbook. Provide a detailed guide on nutrition, meal planning and healthy eating habits to support clients in their fitness journey. Or perhaps a mindset mastery manual, helping clients develop a positive mindset by offering tips, tricks and motivational strategies to stay motivated and overcome mental barriers. Or how about quick start transformation checklist? This can give potential clients a step-by-step checklist that outlines the essentials for starting their transformation journey, which ultimately makes it easier for them to take action right away. Or another option might be a recipe book for busy lives. This would be you sharing a collection of quick, easy and nutritional recipes for those who struggle to find time to cook but still want to stay healthy and fit. Now they're just a few examples, but I'm sure you can agree the possibilities are endless. Think about your ideal clients and what valuable information or resources they would love to have. Then look to create a lead magnet that provides tremendous value, and you'll see how it attracts your dream clients like a magnet. Now remember, creating a lead magnet may feel daunting, but the rewards, believe me, are absolutely worth it. So take the time to craft something exceptional that resonates with your ideal audience. I promise it will pay off big time. So that's it for today's video. I hope you're as excited about lead magnets as I am. But guess what? We're just scratching the surface. In my next video, we'll explore the importance of an email nurture campaign and how to create one that nurtures your leads into loyal clients. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. So click the link right here and watch that video right now. Oh, and before I forget, don't you forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell, so you'll be the first to know when the next videos drop. Remember, your fitness business is about reaching new heights, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. So until next time, keep hustling, keep inspiring, and look to become that best version of yourself. See you soon. Bye for now.